had terrific success, and it's come from three things. Firstly, we're a lean forward, aggressive company. We want to win. Secondly, we innovate on products, we innovate on business model. And third, we have the most dedicated team with the empowerment to win in every market the way they need to win.
The key factors in our success, as we talked about today, is the dedication that we put into the engineering of the products, the quality of the products, but most importantly, it's listening to the feedback from our customers. Right? We meet with our customers in Europe in advisory councils for our products multiple times a year. So we take all of those ideas, all of that feedback from the customer, and then end up building it into products like this. And fortunately, we've been able to make enough products that our customers want to buy, and it's led us to be number one in the industry.
Fyrirlesturinn var bara mjög skemmtilegur, fræðandi. Kom á óvart að þeir eru stærstir í Kína í snjallsímum. Maður hefur ekki hugsað til Lenovo áður í snjallsímum.
Well, in smartphone, the Motorola Mobility deal, when it closes, I mean, that's a very bright future alongside the existing huge phone business we have in emerging markets. So the future, I think, is clear in phone. We're in, and we're going to get even bigger in there. And on tablet, the same is true. We're in, we keep growing. We're number 3 now. We want to be number 1 soon.
Lenovo is number 1 in many markets around the world in phones, number 4 standalone, and obviously we're all looking very much forward to a future that hopefully includes Moto. So over time we'll see Lenovo participate in more countries as an entire company, and we'll be very aggressive and obviously have a lot of fun trying to drive to number 1 in phone market share.
On technology, yeah, I think you'll see some cool stuff around tablet, the phones, maybe even more, and PC. We continue to innovate. So every few months we bring some surprises.